Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
In the second slide, we have write the pronouns that come before nouns or adjectives and nouns. So these pronouns, for example, let's take mother as a noun. So the pronoun that comes after mother, it's not I. We don't say I mother. We don't say mother me. So the pronoun is my mother, my mother, my father, my sister, my brother, my school. So do you know the family of these pronouns? Let's see the slide, the answers. So the answers, so these pronouns, we call them possessive pronouns. So we have my school, my class, my teacher, your, or we can say my beautiful mother, my dear mother. So we have adjective and a noun. My house, my amazing house. So we use it with nouns or adjectives and nouns. Your car or your expensive car. His friend, his intimate friend. So we have adjective and noun. Her cat, her cute cat. Its size, its small size. Our garden, our lovely garden. Our mother, our father, etc. Your in the plural form. Your pens, your colored pens, their country, their beautiful country. So these pronouns, we call them in English possessive adjectives, but I put pronouns just to remember because it's very difficult to remember possessive adjectives, so I put possessive pronouns, but they are called possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. My father, your father, his father, her father, our father, your father, their father. My country, your country, his country, our country, your country, their country.